So here's something we don't see every day. One of our courtesy cars has been hit while it was parked up. There was a van coming down the road. Apparently, the driver says they were only doing 20 miles an hour. He's crashed into our car, which has then pushed our car down the road into somebody else's car. So then we got both cars recovered onto site here at Elite Motor Solutions, and we got both the drivers in replacement vehicles the same day. We've had quite a few people asking us who's going to be liable for all costs. Obviously, with both vehicles being parked up unattended, everything's going to have to go through the van driver's insurance. Obviously, it was his fault. He's hit the first car, which has then pushed it into the other car. So there'll be no cost to us, no cost to our customer that we're in our courtesy car, and no cost to the other client whose car our car's hit. So we've just treated this like any other claim, even though it's one of our cars. We've recovered both vehicles onto site, documented all the damage on both vehicles, processed the claim start to finish, but most of all, we've kept both customers mobile. Remember, it's your legal right who repairs your car, and it's not down to your insurance to dictate where it goes. So if you are ever unfortunate enough to be in an accident, call us first. We can take care of the claim start to finish, keep you mobile, and take all the stress away for you.